Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking your Huawei and getting the camera ready. Open the camera app directly or pull down Quick Settings and tap the camera icon. This gets you into scanning mode fast. Once done, go into Camera Settings and confirm Scan QR Codes is enabled so the app recognizes codes automatically. If a lock screen prevents quick access, temporarily disable that lock or use the camera shortcut to avoid delays and get straight to scanning. You now position the phone and let the camera do the work. Hold your Huawei steady roughly 6 to 12 inches from the QR code and center it in the viewfinder. This distance helps autofocus lock quickly. Make sure there's no glare, excessive tilt, or backlight so the pattern reads cleanly. Once the camera recognizes the code, you'll see a notification or link preview. Tap it immediately to open the content, or use the pop-up action to copy or share the URL. You finish by opening the content and verifying it's safe. Tap the on-screen prompt to visit the link or choose to copy the URL. If the code launches an app action, confirm permissions before proceeding. If nothing happens, switch to Google Lens or the gallery's built-in scanner and try again. For persistent issues, clean the camera lens, enable camera and internet permissions, or download a trusted QR scanner app. These steps resolve most recognition problems and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.